Did you know you can make money with Canva? Well, you can. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with the affiliate program. Hey guys, my name's Natalie and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools, and resources you need to see success online. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with Canva's affiliate program. Now, if you're not sure what Canva is, it is a design tool that is easy to use no matter what level you're at. Now, there are a couple of things I want to cover with you as we go through this video, such as who can become an affiliate, the process to becoming an affiliate with Canva, how you can set up your account and generate your link, and then how to best promote your affiliate link. So this video is jam-packed with tons of useful information. Let's get to it. Now, you may be wondering who can become an affiliate for Canva, and the answer is absolutely anyone. Now, although anyone can promote Canva as an affiliate, you will definitely see a lot of success if you are in certain industries or niches. Now, if you are in the design niche where you teach or share different tools and tips with your audience, this is definitely a great niche to be in and to promote Canva. But it doesn't mean that because you are not in the design niche that you still can't make money from the affiliate program. So whatever business you're in, whether it is social media marketing or affiliate marketing, you need to be strategic about how you position this product to your audience. I really want you to think outside the box and figure out how you can promote this to your current audience. Because there are so many niches and categories, I'm not going to go into too much depth, and I'm rather going to leave that brainstorming down to you. But just to give you an example of how we would promote this in an affiliate marketing business is we would promote this to our audience who are starting and setting up their own business. They may need Canva to maybe do their YouTube banners. They may need Canva to create Facebook covers. Maybe they need it for their Instagram posts. There's so many ways that you can use Canva, so just be smart about how you're going to promote it and market it to your audience. Next, we are going to touch on the process to become an affiliate with Canva. So I will be leaving a link down in the description to take you directly to Canva's website, but you can also go to canva.com, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see right at the bottom there's an option underneath company where it says affiliate program. You're going to click on affiliate program, and then it's going to bring up the affiliate page. Now, there is a lovely video that you can watch that explains to you how the program works, or you could also click on join now. And once we click on join now, it'll take us to the partner program sign up page. Now, for those who are new, affiliate marketing is when we leverage other people's products and promote it online and earn a commission every time someone purchases. So right on the top of Canva's partner page, it will show you exactly what you need to do. You need to create your account. When you promote the Canva Pro affiliate program and people buy through your link, you then earn a commission. Now that we're on the application page, we're going to go ahead and fill in all of our details over here. Now, before we fill in our details, Canva uses Impact Radius to host the affiliate program. So when you are completing your details here below, this is signing up for your Impact Radius account. So you will need to set up a new account for Impact Radius, and you will be doing it on this page over here. So the top portion is just your basic information. Then we have your company information. Scroll down to the bottom. They want to know how you're going to promote Canva. And once you've completed all your details on top, you can scroll down and read through the agreements and their terms and conditions. Once you've completed that, we are going to click on sign up. Now, once you've clicked on sign up, you are going to want to wait for an email. So check your emails. And this is going to be from Impact Radius confirming your account setup. Now, once we've received that email from Impact, we are going to want to go in and get our affiliate links. You're going to put in your username, your password, and you are going to sign in. Perfect. So now we are on our home page. We've just signed up with Canva, so you can see we haven't made any money with them just yet. It's got a section on top that says your available balance, what's upcoming, if there's any brands that still need to pay you, that will show over there. And if you look over here on the right, this will be where you get your affiliate link. It's usually partner.canva.com/ and then your affiliate ID. Now, this is how they know that any referrals have come from you. Every time someone clicks on this link, it's going to say, hey, Purely Remote has referred this person to us to sign up for the pro account. Now, once we've gotten into our homepage, we do want to go over here and we want to click on our bio icon, and we then want to go into edit profile. Now, once you edit your profile, you are going to set up a couple of things over here. Now, once we've made sure all of our basic information is correct, we do want to go and make sure that we've set up our payment options. So you'll get your payments either through bank transfer or through PayPal. You can go and you can choose which one you prefer and set up your account through that way. So the second thing you can set up over there is setting up your payment threshold. Basically, you'll be saying, once I've reached this amount, I'd like my payouts to be received. As an example, let's say you've just made $15 commission from Canva, but you don't actually want the $15 to be transferred. By setting up this payment threshold, you can say, I would like my minimum payments to be at $100. So that way they'll keep their money in their account until you've reached the $100, and then payment will be made into your account or into your PayPal. Now, when it comes to your payment, you will receive your payments once a month. However, you will only receive payments once someone signs up for their pro plan. What this means is if someone is using the free trial, you will not get paid while they're using the free trial. Only once they've signed up to the pro account is when you qualify to get that payment. Now, if I go to the top to this link section over here, you are able to generate multiple different links. So as an example, the first link that we have over here will take us directly to the Canva homepage. So I just want to show you, if I copy this link and if I open it up into a new page, you'll see it will take people straight into Canva's landing page where they can sign up for their pro account over here. They'll get 30 days free access to the pro plan, and if they continue using it after the 30-day free trial, that's when we'll start earning commission. Now, there are other links that you can create and promote, but I won't go into too much detail of showing you how to get those links today, because I do just want to show you how you can promote Canva as an overall product. But some other ideas of how you can promote Canva would be to promote the different design elements they have. So as an example, Canva has an amazing background remover. That may be something that people are interested in. So you can create your link around the background remover and it will take people directly to that. You may also want to consider promoting a brand kit or maybe landing pages. These are just some ideas of how you can go ahead and promote Canva to your audience. So we've walked you who can become an affiliate, the process to become an affiliate, how you can set up your account and generate your links. Now let's talk about promoting your affiliate link. Now, before we go ahead and promote our link everywhere, we want to make sure that we're creating content or providing value to our audience. This will then encourage them and help them to see the benefits of Canva. Now, the first place you want to put them is in your blog post. If you have any blogs, you want to make sure that you're linking people to Canva through your blog post. As an example, let's say you're a teacher and your blog post focuses on homeschooling. You can then showcase how awesome Canva can be in creating online tools for children to learn from home and leave a link to Canva in your description. The second way would be on YouTube, just like we're doing over here, either providing value or reviews or information and tutorials on how to use different products and leaving the link in your description. Third, we could do it on Instagram. So if you're a social media marketer and you create templates, you could create templates on Instagram and market Canva to your audience that way. You could leave a link in your bio on Instagram, on TikTok, anywhere that you are creating content and showing how Canva can be used to your audience. Then you could also use email marketing. Send out that email, show them what they can do, and then link Canva in your emails. Now, once we have created that content, we have sent out our affiliate links. When people click on that link, they will have a free trial to Canva Pro. If they sign up for the free Canva Pro trial, you will not earn anything on the actual free trial. Doesn't make sense to earn anyway because Canva's not making any money, so you don't make any money. But once their free trial is over, that is when you will start earning commission. Now, at the time of recording this video, there are two different commission payouts that are available. The first one is if someone signs up for the monthly plan, on the first month of subscription, you will earn 80% commission, and on the second month you will earn 80% commission as well. If, however, they decide to skip the monthly plan and just join up for the yearly plan because they absolutely love it, you will earn 25% commission. Now, this is just one way that you can make money with Canva. Again, if someone does sign up for the yearly subscription, you are going to get that one-time payoff, so you will need to get people signing up every single month if you need a consistent, steady inflow. And if you really want to focus on making money with Canva, there are also other ways that you can do this. There is something else I want to show you. When we go back to that Canva homepage where we clicked onto join now, at the bottom there are tons of resources that can help you get started and show you how you can make money with Canva. If we explore the affiliate resources, they have a how to start guide. So again, they'll show you how to create that impact account, how to get your affiliate links, There's different tools that you can use. Whether you have a blog post, you may want to use the tools and the different creatives that they have. So they have different ad templates, videos, text links, banners. You can also monitor your campaigns. You can check out the commission payout structure. So this is where we were earlier, and then the general terms and conditions. Now, I hope you found some valuable information in this tutorial and you learned something new. If you did, remember to leave a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of Purely Remote, we'd love to see you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for joining me. See you guys soon.